Hi, today we're going to be starting off with a tool that every one of us have had or came across in our time. Adhesive tape. Yeah, let's get sticky, baby. Adhesive tape, first removing a splinter. Is a splinter too tiny or too deep to remove with tweezers? Avoid the agony of digging it out with a needle. Instead, cover the splinter with adhesive tape. After about 3 days, pull the tape off, and the splinter should come out with it. Stop ants in their tracks. Is an army of ants marching toward the cookie jar and your countertop, or some sweet fries? In your pantry, create a moat around the object by surrounding it with adhesive tape. Place sticky side up, make a lint lifter. To lift lint and pet hair off clothing and upholstery, you don't need a special lint remover. Just wrap your hand with adhesive tape, sticky side out. Got a hat that's a bit too big for your head? Wrap, and he's sew tape around the sweet band. It might take 2 or 3 layers, depending on the size discrepancy. As a bonus, the adhesive tape will absorb brow sweat on hot days. Clean a hair comb. To remove the gunk that builds up between the teeth of your comb, press the strip of adhesive tape along the comb's length and lift it off. Then dip the comb in a solution of alcohol and water, or ammonia and water, to sanitize it. Let dry, and there you have it. Cover casters. Prevent your furniture from leaving marks on your wood or a vinyl floor by wrapping the furniture's caster wheels with adhesive tape. Hang glue and caulk tubes. Got SN ungainly heap of glue and caulk tubes and your workbench? Cut a strip of adhesive or duct tape several inches long and fold it over the bottom of each tube, leaving a flat at the end. Punch a hole in the flap with a paper hole punch and hang the tube on the nail or hook. You are free up counter space, and you'll be able to find the right tube fast. Safely remove broken window glass. Removing a window's sash to fix a window broken pandu of glass can be dangerous. There's always the possibility that a sharp shard will fall out and cut you to prevent this. Crisscross both sides of the broken pan with adhesive tape before removing the sash. Don't forget to wear heavy leather gloves when you pull the glass shards out of the frame. Get a grip on tools. Adhesive tape has just the right texture for wrapping tools handles. It gives you a positive, comfortable grip, and it's highly absorbent so that tools won't become slippery if your hand sweats. When you wrap tool handles, overlap each wrap by about half a tape width and use as many layers as needed to get the best grip. Here are some useful applications. Screwdriver handles are sometimes too narrow and slippery to get to grip well when you drive or remove stubborn screws. Wrap layers of adhesive tape around the handle until the tool feels comfortable in your hand. This is expressly useful if you have arthritis in your fingertips. Take a tip from carpenters when the wrap wooden hammers handles that can get slippery with sweat. Wrap the whole gripping area of the tool. A fruit wraps just under the head will also protect the handle from damage caused by misdirected blows. Plumbers also keep adhesive tape in their toolkits when they want to cut a pipe in a spot that's too tight for their hacksaw frame. They make a mini saw by removing the blade and wrapping one end of the blade to form a handle. Wow, it is so amazing how many things you can do with adhesive tape. Right? Yes? I'm pumped. If you would like more of these, just send me a like, tap with love and special whisper in the message board below. Thanks, peace, and blessings. And also don't forget, I'm